Yo, what's up, guys? Easy Side Hustle here. I'm actually riding around filling up some ATM machines. I'm gonna have you guys riding with me, kind of see how the process goes being an ATM provider, showing you guys kind of what you have to do, which is really just maintaining the machines and filling up the machines. So right now I'm gonna fill up a few locations. I have a hotel I gotta fill up, nail salon, and I think one other location. And I'm gonna have you guys riding with me, so stay tuned. Alright, loading cash in this machine. Open it up, enter the code. Let me get our cassette. Alright guys, so I got my cassette. I'm at my hotel, got my cassette, got my cash right here. So literally I just use these keys, open this cassette up, put this cash in, and then put it back in the machine and you're good to go. I mean, it's fairly simple, easy peasy. Like I said, as an ATM provider, that's really the main, making sure your ATMs are filled. Once your ATMs are filled, your money's just working for you. That's it. It's working for you, working for you, working for you. Rinse and repeat. They use the ATM gets low, you go to the location, fill up your cassette, put it back in, your ATM works for you. The goal is if you could put enough money in there to sustain you for at least a few weeks to a month, then you won't have to be at the location. Then you're making it a truly passive investment. So that's how it works, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you hit me up, like, subscribe, hit that like button.